Hi there, I'm Kathleen and welcome to the TLD conference. Sorry I can't be with you today, but I asked the team to come and tape this presentation. I was really interested in working with primary sources, and in 1997 when I was first introduced to primary sources, I was able to go to the library. When I went to the library, I went into one of the reading rooms, and yes, I had gloves just like these. And we were encouraged to put on the gloves and to begin to look at a series of photographs, just the way historians do, to kind of begin to make sense of history and try to understand what sorts of stories could be told when we look at a photograph like this one. To tell you the truth, I did this with students as well. Now, I didn't have these fancy white gloves, which, by the way, are really mortician's gloves. So what I bought instead were gardening gloves so that the kids could have the same kind of experience. And I put together primary source sets like these. But you know, one of the things I learned is that once that we were done with this, and students were very engaged, always having a good time, particularly looking at the materials and investigating. But once the learning was done, I collected all the paper, put it away, and to the students, the learning was over. But my point today is really about the fact that these materials are delivered from our library teachers page, and they're in this nice format for you to be able to print. But now we actually have the e-readers. So my point today, and you'll see this in the latter part of this video, is that once we use an e-reader like the iPad, what can happen is this primary source set is an EPUB document in my own iBook library. So I'm able to actually look at this and continue to wonder and look closely. And I also have an opportunity to look myself. I don't have to compete with other students as I'm looking at a complete set of materials. So when you have your ePad reader, what you have is an opportunity to extend the learning. So my point is, never stop learning. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you think it's worth the time to make an EPUB document. And if you're wondering exactly how, on the wiki we have links for some how-tos provided by Cheryl Davis. And I want to thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.